It has never been easier to sell and market your products, services, and affiliate offers online without any technical and marketing skills. But with MarketPal, it's easy and fast. Replace your multiple old-school landing page builders, email marketing apps, and other money-sucking platforms with this all-in-one marketing technology that helps power your business in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose. Just select from over 200 ready-to-use templates of landing pages, lead generation pages, webinar registration pages, email templates, exit intents, and a lot more. Step 2. Edit. Customize them according to your business or niche. Add your links and call to actions. Step 3. Profit. Just deploy and profit. Drive attention, build lists, and get more opens, clicks, and targeted traffic like a pro. No installation, no coding or designing or other techie stuff. And everything works under a single dashboard without multiple logins and with zero frustration of learning about how to use them all. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With MarketPal, you can do much more. First, there is the all-in-one marketing technology that lets you create converting pages, pop-ups, and beautiful emails without a single hitch. You can easily create unlimited beautiful sales pages, lead, webinar, affiliate review pages for any niche and goal in a few minutes. Next, up is the power to send beautiful emails to your subscribers instantly or schedule for later date and time. Along with that, you can use advanced sales boosters with AI-based personalized notification technology to engage visitors and convert them into lifetime happy customers. Get our next generation advanced drag and drop editor to create whatever you want and wherever you want without even one pixel error. You'll also receive over 200 plus landing page, emails, pop-ups, splash pages, and sticky bar templates. These templates are easy to use. Just load them up, click to edit, publish, and you're ready to start getting best results ASAP. And that's just a handful of features. There are many more valuable benefits included, such as boost leads and sales on your websites by showing behavior-oriented pop-ups. Use engaging splash pages and sticky bars to force people to take action. Boost your sales and leads by simply connecting it with your Shopify store, WordPress websites in most advanced ways that no other platform provides. And if you are already using any solution, we have over 50 plus apps that integrates with MarketPal with autoresponders, webinars, and other services to connect and migrate to our system in easiest way possible. Smart A/B testing to have clear insight of your landing pages, pop-ups, and email campaigns. Create subdomains for multiple business management. Get 100% unbreakable security with our automatic and free SSL encryption. You can manage all campaigns, projects, and clients in one simple dashboard to manage everything effortlessly. It's 100% newbie friendly, so zero tech skills required. A to Z complete video training included. And an entire host of other features that come included with MarketPal when you sign up today. So, whatever your goal is, we have a proven solution for you. So, just get your hands on MarketPal to sell and market your products, services, and affiliate offers online, and it streamlines everything for you 24/7, even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. And that makes MarketPal a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's proven and elegant. It's reliable and robust. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our live chat customer support. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.